Descript Affiliate Program Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to the Descript Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll give you a complete breakdown of how the program works, who it's for, and how you can earn commissions by promoting one of the most innovative audio and video editing tools. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. It's an all-in-one audio and video editing tool that makes creating content easier with features like text-based editing, automatic transcription, overdubbing, screen recording, and AI-powered voice synthesis. It's designed for podcasters, video creators, content marketers, and businesses looking for a fast and intuitive way to edit media without complex software. With its drag-and-drop interface and AI-driven features, Descript is one of the easiest tools to use in the industry. The Descript Affiliate Program is a great opportunity for marketers, content creators, and educators to earn commissions by recommending the software. Affiliates receive a 15% recurring commission for every customer they refer, meaning you'll earn a percentage of every payment the customer makes, as long as they remain subscribed. This makes it one of the most profitable affiliate programs in the creative software space. The cookie duration is 90 days, giving you plenty of time to earn credit for referred signups. One of the biggest selling points of Descript is its broad appeal. Whether someone is editing podcasts, creating marketing videos, or transcribing interviews, Descript simplifies the process. Plus, Descript offers a free plan, which makes it easier to convert leads into paying customers. With demand for video and podcast content growing, Descript is a tool that creators are actively looking for, making it easier to promote. The best way to promote Descript is through YouTube videos, blog posts, tutorials, and social media content that show how easy and powerful the tool is. It's particularly effective for YouTubers, bloggers, and influencers who focus on video editing, podcasting, and productivity tools. Overall, the Descript Affiliate Program is a fantastic choice for affiliates who want to earn a recurring commission while promoting a tool that genuinely helps content creators. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to sign up and start earning today. Thanks for watching.